is Vadini. Today we are going to learn about the difference between server-side scripting and client-side scripting. So the scripts can be written in two forms: at the server end, that is backend, or at the client end, means server end. The main difference server side scripting and client side scripting is that the server side scripting involves server for its processing. On the other hand, client side scripting requires between it on the other hand, client side scripting requires the browsers to run the scripts on the client machine, which does not interact with the server while processing the client side scripts. A script is generally a series of program or instructions which has to be executed on the other program or applications. As we know that web works in the client side environment, the client side script executes the code to the client side, which is visible to the users, while the server side scripts executed in the server end, which users cannot see. So this is the basic diagram where the client side is there, where the browser is involved, and helper application, it interacts with the server, with the network, and then scripting is being done. Whereas in the server end, the backend is associated with the CGI programs, and the server API programs are being associated with the server, where the server side scripting pages being made. And this is the basic difference. And what are the basic comparisons we can do? In the server side scripts, it works with the backend, which could not be visible at the client end. Whereas in the client side scripting, the basic is it works at the front end and the scripts are visible among the users. The processing, if we say, in the server side, it requires the server interaction, and here in the client side, it does not require any interaction with the server. Languages involved in the server side, we use like PHP, ASP, .NET, Ruby, on Rails, Cold Fusion, Python, etc. And here in the client side, we use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. What is the effect? So in the client side, it can reduce the load to the server, but here in the server side, could effectively customize the web pages and provide the dynamic websites. With the security, the client side is quite insecure, whereas it is relatively secure. Server side is relatively secure. This is the difference between the client side and the server side scripting. This is it for the video. If you like our channel, do like and subscribe.